सर्व सद्गुण संपन्ना गीता भक्ति परायणा भवितुं जीवनेऽस्माकं जागृता बालका वयम् उत्थाने राष्ट्रधर्मस्य विज्ञानदृष्टिमाशिता विवेकानन्दमार्गेण वयं सर्वे समर्पिताः।
Adi? What are you doing, dear? It's been an hour that you went to the bathroom.
Mom, I'll come in some time.
Please be quick or else you'll be late to school. I don't understand. Why does he always waste so much time?
I'll do one thing. I'll rearrange them now.
Adi, what are you doing?
Dad, I'm rearranging my books.
Adi, you should have done this last night itself.
No worries, Dad. I'll do it right now.
Oh God, you still haven't had your breakfast? Adi, what are you doing?
Mom, I'm rearranging my books.
Have your breakfast first. I'll do it. Come on, have your breakfast. Come on, quick.
Mom, even if I get late by 10-15 minutes, it will be alright.
Adi, please start valuing your time, dear. And please do not make this everyday habit. Otherwise, you will have to regret later. Got it? Now don't waste time and quickly finish your breakfast.
He hasn't come yet. Even today I'm going to be late because of him. What is this, Adi? You're once again late today. Even I'll be late because of you.
Come on, buddy. I'm late by just 10 minutes.
Adi, you know very well. The school gate shuts if we reach late. You know, even the gatekeeper scolds us every day.
Hey, chill. Don't worry, my friend. Come on, let's go now. Come on.
Hey, look there! I told you he'll shut the gate.
Uncle, wait, please. Please wait. Please wait. Please open the gate.
This is your old habit. I can't open the gate now. I am not going to do this today. I have got strict orders from principal to not open the gate once it is shut.
Uncle, please give us a last chance. Please. If we repeat this, then you can punish us. We have to submit an important assignment today.
All right, I am giving you a last chance. Tomorrow I won't open this.
Thank you so much.
Come on, go.
Ma'am. Please accept my assignment today. I won't delay it next time. I have worked a lot on this assignment. Please, ma'am.
No, Adi. I won't accept your assignment right now. The last date of submission was yesterday. By accepting assignment after the deadline, I can never be partial with those students who have really worked hard and completed the assignment on time. And yes, Adi, there is no next time. And in your case, it will never come. Got it?
Ma'am, please. Ma'am, please.
Time. It is nothing but a merely four-lettered word, but its power is more than the sun, moon and the earth. It waits for none. The earth. It holds everything together, but still it is bound by the time to revolve and rotate. Just think about it. If the universe is following the principle of time, then it becomes very important for humans like us to value the time.
Listen, Aryan. After 10 days, there's an inter-school cycling competition. I want to participate in that. Will you please help me in practicing for the same?
Okay, I'll be there. We'll meet in the evening at 6 p.m. And
Okay.
yes, please be on time.
Yes, I'll be on time. Don't worry. Come on, let's go now.
Oh God, this Adi hasn't come yet.
Sorry, Aryan. I got late. No matter how much I try, I end up reaching late. But I guess 5-10 minutes is fine.
Yes. I'm habituated to your late coming now. You know what, Adi? Why did I gift you this watch? That you will always remember that you need to finish your task in time. Even your watch is habituated to your late coming. Now what's the point in wearing this watch? Remove it.
Never, my friend. This watch is very precious to me. Because my best friend has gifted this to me.
Enough. Now don't waste time and let's start the practice. I'll set the timer. You start. Adi, fast! Come on! Adi, you can do it! Fast, Adi, fast! Yes, Adi, speed! Come on, faster! Yes, you can do it fast!
Yes, sir, tell me. Okay. Okay, sir, fine. I'll mail you right away, no problem. Okay. Oh no. I had to pick the file from Trivedi's place. What to do now? Listen, Adi. Please do one thing. Go to Trivedi uncle's house and get the file from there. Okay? I have
Okay,
to
Dad.
write an urgent mail to my boss, so don't be late.
I'll do it, Dad. But after some time. Right after this show ends.
Adi. Okay, fine. But please don't delay it further. He has an evening flight and he'll leave by 4 p.m. Okay?
Okay, Dad. Dad, I'm coming from Trivedi uncle's house. The door was locked.
You went there now? It's 4:30 now. What did I tell you, Adi? He has an evening flight and he'll be leaving by 4. Adi, I have told you multiple times time is very important. If you don't value your time, at least value others' time for God's sake. You know how important that file was? Huh? When will you understand all this, Adi? When? When will you start valuing time? Now stop staring at me. Go away. Get lost.
Adi, you'll have to submit the form for the cycle competition tomorrow, right?
Yes.
By the way, what are the timings?
Morning 7 to 8.
Only an hour?
Yes. Because only 100 students can participate in this. Only the first 100 students will get the form.
Please submit it on time.
Don't worry, friend. This competition can't take place without me. Because cycling is my passion. And yes, you'll be coming in the evening to help me with my practice, right?
Not today, Adi. I need to go out with my dad today evening. But we can practice tomorrow. And yes, you need to reach on time to submit the form. Because I can wait for you. But time doesn't wait for anyone. And not even for you.
Yes, I'll reach on time.
Adi, get up, dear. Till when will you sleep? And where did you keep the mobile? Adi, get up. It's 7:30.
It's 7:30 already. I had to go and submit the form for inter-school competition. Oh no.
Adi, where did he go?
Oh dear, why were you cycling at such a high speed? Get up, get up. Hope you're fine. Just see, you're already injured.
Only 5 minutes are left. Uncle, I have to go.
Kids of this generation, I tell you.
Sir, one form, please.
Dear, the time was till 8 a.m. today.
Please, sir. Give me one form, please. This competition is very important for me. Please, sir.
Look, I had only 100 forms. I don't have any extra forms. And if this competition was so important for you, then you should have reached on time. Now tell me, where do I get the extra form for you?
Adi, please start valuing your time, dear. Please don't make this a habit in your life. Otherwise, you'll have to regret later.
Because I can wait for you. But time doesn't wait for anyone.
To expect that from time, that it will wait for you, then I must tell you that it is nothing but your foolishness. Time and tide waits for no one. It keeps on going on and on, never stops. A person who starts valuing time in his life, he has learned the mantra of success and he will never lose. But there are so many people who realize this very late. Unfortunately, till the time, everything is finished.
What happened, Adi? How did you get hurt? Please tell me. Come on, I am your friend.
I shattered my dream because of my own mistake. I never used to value time, and I was wrong. I got such a big punishment. I've realized now. My parents and you were right.
Yes, Adi. Even I tried telling you the same thing many times. But you always let down my suggestions and took everything lightly. Now, did you realize, Adi? Coming late can be so harmful. Have you ever wondered, Adi? Why does this watch keep ticking? Because this ticking reminds us that we need to complete our task on time. It is made for that purpose.
Sorry, Aryan. I've realized now that time is very important in life. Listen, my friend. I promise you, I'll do anything to be on time, and I won't break this promise. Neither will I waste my time, nor will I waste others' time by making them wait for me.
I am glad that you realized your mistake and now don't worry.
I wish I had realized this much earlier. I would have been able to participate in the competition.
Take this. There is a surprise for you.
What is this?
Why don't you open it for yourself?
Application form for the inter-school competition?
Yes, because I knew very well. You could be late in taking it, and the time was very limited. And I knew this competition was very important for you. So I reached there at 7 a.m. and took the form for my best friend.
Thanks, Aryan. Thank you so much.
No need to thank me. Did I ever thank you? When you helped me in the quiz competition, don't I know what friendship is all about, huh? Come on, now focus on your practice. And yes, I won the championship trophy in your hands, Adi.
Definitely, Aryan.
Okay, now take rest for a couple of days. We will meet at the ground for the practice. Exactly at 5 p.m., okay?
Okay.
He's again late. Cycle?
What did you think, Aryan? That I'll be late again? I reached 15 minutes early today.
I'm so proud of you.
Rather than keep on fighting with time in your life, it's very important to understand the value of time. Better we understand these things so that we don't regret it later. Because time will never give you another chance like Adi. That's why always value the time, and the time will value you.